Welcome. In this video I am with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus and I'm going to show you maximum camera zoom range. So as you can see, I'm in the photo mode and let's quickly zoom in. As you can see on the preview right here, we can find that the 30 zoom, it's actually the maximum zoom on this phone. And as you can see, that's also really good stabilization, and it's thanks to this right upper corner preview where we can enable this option. So we can take photo right now and we can take a look for the quality. So that's the quality of the maximum zoom on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. So one more time, the 30 times, it's the maximum zoom range on the smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.